Hi, and welcome to the video for my project for fourth year IT in Waterford Institute of Technology. I attempted to build an online store, not currently hosted, but it will be by time of presentation. My first step was to create the necessary tables in the database. In this case, it would be categories, of which there are three: pottery, jewellery, and clothing. In orders would be next. That's auto-generated by the site itself. Products, the things that are for sale on the site. In this case here, you can see there's 5. See name, size, description, an image, price. And users, as you can see here, I've created 2. The first one, Dave, was created actually in PHPMyAdmin, and John was created within the store itself, and I'll go through the process of both in a minute. So this is the home page of the store itself. So some styling things left to be finished, but see here, these are a list of products. One of the images has gone wonky. Click on the image itself, brings you to a page that displays the product info. From here, you can add a product to the cart, or just from the home page itself, you can also add a product to the cart, which is displayed here in the cart container. Now, so go to cart, brings you to the cart. If you're not logged in, you have the option to either, you can still log in here or create an account. So in this case, we'll just log in as John. And there we see our, that brings us back to the home page. So go to cart, fill in addresses here. These all have to be filled in. Unfortunately, I've yet to be able to get payments working. PayPal's been a little difficult. So if we log out, which wipes everything that's in the cart, and we were to click on create new account, this is another page where the CSS is not fully functioning yet. So first name, Alan, tab, Alan at Alan.Alan, username Alan, tab, password Alan. Password and username have to be a minimum of 4 letters or 4 characters. Register, and you get a message saying you're registered and you can now log in. And if we go back to the users and refresh, you can see that Alan has been added to the list of users. So if we just use his login details there, enter, and you can see here you're now logged in as Alan, and add things to cart. If you want to add more rows, say you want to add 5, update cart, Okay, I thought I had that working. But if we want to add 0, see if we can take one away like this. Nope, still there. Okay. In this case, then, if you wanted to cancel the order, you'd have to log out and log back in. Home. So say you wanted to add 5 more balls. 5 is added, and the grand total is calculated there. So go to card, and again you see quantity 6 of particular item, 8.99 each, 53.94. Shipping is not displaying for some reason. I've yet to work out. Go back to home. Oh, you can see as well, when you're logged in, the create account disappears. So let's just say he wants 7 mugs. That's they're calculated and added to the cost of the ball. So he wants 4 lovely green jumpers. Add to cart. And there you see again, all added together. Yeah, that's not working yet either. So log out, and again you see the cart is wiped. And it displays, if you have nothing in the cart, it displays that there are no items in the cart. Similarly, same happens if you're logged in. That's all I have to show for this, I'm afraid. So, yeah, thanks for watching.